what's scaring me, he's been asleep.
Oh, who's this?
We need to come up with a name for him. No.
Oh, aren't you cute? Can I pick him up?
Yep. Be very careful with him though.
Hello? 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 Oh my god. Terrible parking out there. You can get back in bed. Oh, okay. Oh, do you remember me? Do you remember me? Do you remember me? What?